My lovely Sagittarians, I welcome you to mid-month for March reading. General energy loves feel a little kind of funny, funky, serious energy. I don't know why, but I gotta say it. As you see, even my voice is quite that. Let's see, loves, what do we have for you for this mid-month and how the energies are. And this is before we diving into the next week readings. Many of you have been asking about this mid-month, and yeah, since been quite a while we not done mid-month readings. Let's see, loves, what we have for you. Whatever in the world you are, whatever you do, if you feel into this energy or feel like there is a message here for you, I welcome you and glad to see you here. Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising Signs, and Venus, mid-month March energies for you. That's it, loves. Bottom of the deck, we do have the Empress. Yes, Empress many times speaks about abundance, improvement, but in this energy, I feel here for some of you Sagittarius, or many of you, you have so many ideas, so many things to do. Like you feel like you don't have enough time. Some of you might feel here that I want the days to be the 25 or 26 hours, not the 24. Pretty busy, or pretty feeling like you have so much, or the spring is kicking in and you feel more motivated to do the things. But definitely here there is a great time for some of you to start new projects, new things for you. Yeah, Ace of Swords. For some of you, you are gonna find something about your true power, or there's something here deep that you are looking here for. With this Ace of Swords, look at this, the Devil. I also see here there is a very profitable contract sign, but there is for some of you Sagittarius, there's a very fine line. Be very much into this and get as much information about it with the Devil. Look at here, the Ten of Pentacles. So this speaks about something here you've done, probably past related, or in the past 6 months, that it's coming to fruition. For some of you, yes, definitely here your hard work is paying off, and for some of you a time of struggles are ending with this Ten of Wands, Knight of Swords. Many of you, you are entering into a time when a lot of things will go pretty fast. Okay, speaking of pretty fast things, we have 2 tens here, which for some of you, you are entering into if you've been struggling, now there is an abundant time. If you've been doing great, there is something here about the balance. So keep in balance. But for many of you, I feel here, whatever here you worked for, it's kind of your time, it's coming. Whoever here has a business or is an entrepreneur or work on certain things, your next 6 months till up to 9 months, it's kind of picking up something pretty amazing. Let's see what this is about, loves. Oh wow, first card we have 2 of Cups. Definitely new energies here on the horizons. Justice, Knight of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. So new beginnings. We have the Knights, which are the fastest and the slowest. So definitely here, something here, it's, if something here was moving slower, there is something pretty fast coming up. And that's why I'm feeling here there is something here about your balance. Make sure it's balanced, or make sure it's good, or it's in a good standing, because certain things here definitely are gonna pick up. Swords and Pentacles. Swords are very fast energy. Pentacles are stable, but also a little slower, or a lot more slower. So for some of you, whatever here you could not accomplish, you know, for quite a while, you are gonna accomplish in a very short time. Okay, let's see. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Very, very much into the I know clearly what I gotta do and what I don't want to do. I will clarify this devil energy here to see what's about, but it seems here for some of you it's kind of buckle up for what's coming up. Looks like a rhyme here, but definitely here, speaking of whatever comes in, make sure you are aware how to spend the time or the energies. Yeah, definitely work, money, energy here. For some of you, you work on something for a very long time, and it seems here that's coming up. And lately for the Sagittarius, especially for those of you who've been, you know, hustling, working, or even taking side jobs, or entrepreneurs, there's something here money-wise is improving tremendously. And the devil clarified by the Three of Pentacles. If you really wanted to work something out, the fruition is coming. For those of you, if you've been working something here by yourself, or just you will need help. Probably family help, people, friends, and so on. For some of you, the feminine energy, I see it very strong. If you are a female business owner, you will need to involve your other half or your immediate family, because definitely here something is picking up beautifully. The Ten of Wands, let's see here, was the Ten of Wands for you. Nine of Swords. Still a little worry. Look at here, the Knight of Wands. Five of Wands. And the Strength. Again, we have this Knight of Pentacles, but it seems here for some of you, you are definitely overcoming a money work situation, karmic energy, because you know the devil, it's beat only by the strength. The strength is the only one who beats the devil. So definitely here for some of you, you could carry a money work, career, karma situation. And it seems here for some of you, you could have people telling you you are not gonna make it, or you are not gonna do it, or you are not having it, things like that. But now it's just kind of like, when this happens, it's just kind of like, I knew this is gonna pick up and will start going forward fast for whatever here reason. We have three knights so far. Having the knights here, it's the movement. The only knight missing is Knight of Cups. For some of you, an offer, which is a very profitable offer, it's coming in for you. Could be a contract in a form of offer, but definitely will bring you good money, good finances, let's say that. However, you will need to work for them as well a lot, because you know, when we have certain commitments, we need to meet those commitments. That's why here is whatever it's going on, it's good, but whatever offer here is, take time to process it. The Justice card here, bringing on, for For some of you, there's a lot of things here are start to get stable, or you will get a new approach of how you are working on things, how you do the things. Justice energy here. We have the Tower. Yes, there's probably you're working on things, but you don't expect such offer or such new beginning or this energy to come and could be that strong. So you expect some kind of change, some kind of movement, okay? But you don't expect it the way it's coming. So it's pretty huge. It's crazy. I'm feeling here again, buckle up and be careful. One more card next to the Tower, Four of Wands. Wow. Here is the King of Cups. So basically we don't have the Knight, but we have the King. So whatever here is with the King, you probably expect something pretty small, but it's definitely bigger. And for some of you, indeed, here you could be patient to get this offer, but whatever here is definitely will bring a lot of happiness, a lot of movement. For some of you, even you will need to move your place where you live. But this is it's not like shocking, but you know, it's like your life will change to 180 degrees. It's changing so much. Let's say, for example, if till now, till this moment, you were going month by month, paying your bills, trying to meet the pace and stuff for the things, now you will not worry anymore. It's kind of will pay everything off and even stay more. I don't know how to explain that, but the excitement will be like OMG kind of a thing. A lot of things unexpected. Spirit says take time to process. What's the Knight of Pentacles? Because something here, it's bringing into you, it's giving to you. The universe is rewarding you. But to take it the way you want it is to go slow, not fast. Even the things are going fast. It's like, don't let yourself rush, or don't rush into making some decisions that later will cost you. Okay, because devil, it's good in the matter of money, but doing hasty decisions is not really good. Okay, the Knight of Pentacles clarifier. We have the Hermit. Look deeper into the things, analyze the things, be wise how you invest or how you manage the things. Okay, how you put in an effort, how you spread your energy out there. But also I feel here with the Knight of Pentacles, it's not like slowing down the work, but more likely you realize that whatever here I do requires time and requires a true understanding, the full. This is a new life. For many Sagittarius, this is a new life. Since it's the mid-month energy, we have a lunar south node eclipse at 5 degrees in Libra. So we have the Libra here with the Justice. And with this Tower, it's kind of there's a sudden shift into your own balance, into your own life, which clarify the Tower by the Four of Wands. I feel here this shift, it's quite pleasant, quite beautiful. Okay. Other thing here, what I'm feeling as the Libra lunar eclipse in south node, what I want to say about this lunar eclipse, or let's say full moon, because for some of you it's a full moon in Libra. For others of you, the lunar eclipse on March 25th will bring you a change that you kind of expected, but not the way. Another thing here, the south node. We speak about the south node and the north node. The north node is what you're supposed to do in this earthly life that is helped by the south node. South node speaks about the past life. So that's why we have here karmic energy, Sagittarius, that you're overcoming. For some of you, there is a struggle financially or career-wise. For some of you, still searching for your purpose, for your career. But I feel here, for many, many of you, you will understand that sometimes people talk. However, they have no idea what they talk. Another thing here, the lunar, the solar eclipses are bringing big shifts in spirituality. So many of you could change the beliefs of what you should, what you shouldn't do in this life. So again, that's why whoever asked me to do this reading, you kind of expect this change that's coming and expect a big way. For those of you who are in tune with this reading, definitely expect this new energy to come like a strike. Okay? So it's kind of prepare yourself for what's coming up, and whatever here is coming up, it's amazing. It's like give you the perspective of like starting something, but this new start is more in a meaningful way, which means that for some of you, you will understand that what really matters to you might not matter to others. What really makes you who you are is to truly believe in you and not whoever says. Okay? As probably many of you have been here for quite a while, when I started the channel, believe it or not too many approve. Not too many were knowing, but knowledge is power, and I truly believe in that. And when you are guided to learn certain things, when you are guided to do certain things, you want more. And I always say, be curious for what interested you. So Sagittarius, whoever I am speaking here, for many of you, you could have a major change financially. For others of you, it's a major change home-wise, career-wise. For others of you, it's family energy. For others of you, it's new love. Okay, with this Two of Cups. But again, whatever comes here, it's long-term, it's stable, it's grounded. But the stability you will have is not something that you ever thought is. What else comes in for this mid-month energy? Queen of Wands. Growth. For many of you, definitely here, you are leaving a situation behind that felt like a lost cause. We have the Ten of Pentacles, we have the Five of Pentacles. So definitely here, speaking of, for those of you who struggled, there is a change financially. So enjoy this abundance energy. What else comes in for my Sagittarius? Moon. Three of Cups. Three of Swords. Queen of Swords. This, what else comes to you? It's coming like a little heads up, warning energy. Okay. Two of Swords. There will be certain people coming around you due to whatever shift is happening into your life. Be careful who you are let back into your life, who you are keeping close to your life, and who you are kicking out of your life. Okay? Don't be afraid to cut the cords, to pull the roots, whoever is not fulfilling you. Okay? And don't ever doubt who you truly are towards this transformative energy with the death. Definitely here, a time in your life, it's over. A karmic cycle, it's over. And whatever here you manifested, welcome it. Three of Pentacles, Three of Cups, Three of Swords, Three of Wands is missing, loves. So definitely you manifested something that's coming. I want to see where is the Knight of Cups and the Three of Wands. Okay. Okay, where are you? Because that's what we are looking forward. Whichever comes first. So Knight of Cups came first. Knight of Cups is right here. Next to it we have the Two of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and the Temperance. The Knight of Cups, whatever offer comes in, you might doubt a little bit. But Spirit says with Temperance, give it time. You will understand this is just a new beginning of something amazing. So your intuition really calls you in to tell you what you need to do. And the Three of Wands is the next. So Three of Wands is here. We have the Four of Pentacles. Don't hold back. Something here that was stuck, was not moving. Don't hold back to let it go. Ace of Wands, because in a very short time you will understand where you're going and how this goes to you. Okay, towards this Ace of Cups. We have the Seven of Swords and the Eight of Cups. Certain things here might not look quite clear, but Spirit says you definitely have your way. So you are moving into a beautiful energy, loves. Don't need even doubt, because this Ace of Pentacles is the proof. Okay. Love and light, Sagittarius, and again, buckle up and get ready for this beautiful, amazing, and a quite crazy shift. Love and light. Bye for now.